Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to change your name on Google Meet. Your Google Meet name is taken directly from your Google account, so any changes you make there will automatically update in your meetings as well. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Google Meet. Now look at the top right corner where your Google account icon is displayed. Click on your account name and you will see your current Google account name. This is the name that will be shown in Google Meetings as well. Click on Manage your Google account. Once you're on your Google account settings page, click on Personal Info. Scroll down until you see your name, which you can see right here. Click on your name to open the Edit option. Then update your preferred display name. Click here, enter your desired name, and save your changes. After updating your name in your Google account, your new name will automatically be used in Google Meet. To verify the change, refresh your Google Meet page or join a meeting to check if your updated name is visible. For now, my name is visible and updated, as you can see. That's it. You have successfully changed your name on Google Meet by updating your Google account information. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and take care.